Hello everyone, today for my YouTube tutorial, I will cover one of my lab assignment Dashi password. The concept that I will use in this lab assignment is while loop. Using while loop in order to have a control structure repetition. I also need to use if-else statement to have selection for cout. Let's begin. First, I need to include IOStream. This header is needed to support console input and output. I also need to include a string because in this lab assignment it requires the user to enter a sequence of characters. This line right here, let's tell the compiler to find the names in the standard library. Here's in my main function. I need an open and close curly bracket. I usually start with the system box and return 0. This means that the program will not access the screen at the end of the function. First, I need to initialize variables. This code right here that I set up the password. My password is hello. Hello will be converted to be my password. This code right here, this allows user to enter the password as whatever the user enter, this will be the input. Because in this lab assignment, the user only has 3 chances to enter the password. Now I am going to write a while loop function. This while loop is the most important part in this program, in this lab assignment. First, in the while, I need to have the condition. The condition right here, if the user enter the password, if it's wrong, and the enter is not equal to 0, the program will keep looping and keep asking the user to enter the password. I have the cout right here, what is the password, and I have the getLine cin input. The getLine will include everything the user enter until a new line. Moreover, I also have a temp minus minus. This is the query document because the user only has 3 chances. The attempt will be go down by 1 after every time the user enter the password. Now I need to have the if-else statement to have the selection to see out everything, to see out every time the user enter the password if it's wrong or not. As you can see right here, I have the if statement. Inside the parenthesis is the condition. If the password that the user enter is not the password I set up and the attempt greater than 1, the program will see out this statement access denied. It means whatever the user enters is the password that's wrong. Because on the third attempt, if the user enter a wrong password, I just want to have a new statement on the third attempt. If on the third attempt the user enter a wrong password, the program will see out a new statement that say you are locked out hacker. It's just for fun. You don't need to have this else if statement right here. This is just an option. On my last else statement, I don't need to have the condition because if the user enter a right password, the program will see out a statement that say access granted. Now let's see if the program works. So first, the program asks the user what is the password, and I will just enter a random password. because I enter the wrong password. On the first attempt, it will say access denied. On the second attempt, a wrong password again, it will say access denied. So I expect if on the third attempt I enter a wrong password, I will have another cout statement, a new statement. As you can see on the third attempt, and I entered a wrong password, it say you are logged out hacker. It's just something for fun. Now let's try again. So what is the password? And I enter a wrong password. It say access denied. On the second attempt, I enter the right password, hello. As you can see, it will say access granted. So as you can see, the program is working right now. Thank you so much.